This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, license, environment, and security roles. Once confirmed, sign in with your Azure AD account and complete MFA. Next, navigate to the target environment and open Finance and Operations. Create a minimal company dataset if none exists, customers, items, chart of accounts, so you can proceed without delays. Make sure your user has system administrator or delegated role for initial setup, because you will need rights to configure modules and import templates right away. Once logged in, configure legal entities and fiscal calendars to match your reporting periods. Then define currencies and exchange rates so postings convert correctly. Move into inventory. Set item model groups, inventory valuation, and warehouse locations. That ensures accurate stock movements. After that, configure accounts payable and receivable posting profiles, tax codes, and intercompany rules. These mappings determine where transactions hit the ledger. As you work, validate with a few sample journal entries and inventory. You finish by executing a complete business flow. Create a purchase order, receive goods, post the vendor invoice, and process payment. Then run the general ledger trial balance and reconcile differences to catch mapping errors or exchange rate mismatches. Once done, finalize user training and export configuration templates. If something breaks, use trace parser, batch job history, and audit logs to identify root cause. Often a posting profile or security role is the culprit. Change it, rerun the test, and document the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.